Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to fix the Temu app verification error step by step, updated for 2025. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Step 2. Close the Temu app completely and reopen it to try again. Step 3. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, Temu, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. Step 4. Update the Temu app to the latest version from your app store. Step 5. If the error persists, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh it completely. Step 6. If none of these steps work, contact Temu customer support for further help. Most verification errors are caused by connection or app glitches, so these fixes should solve the problem quickly. If this helped, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.